Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up APA format in Google Docs. First, open a new document and navigate to the File menu, then Page Setup to adjust your margins to 1 inch on all sides. Next, select a professional font such as Times New Roman at 12-point size. Ensure your entire document is double-spaced by selecting all text and choosing the double spacing option from the toolbar. Finally, insert a running head with page numbers for proper academic presentation. Now let's tackle the title page and headings. On your title page, center your paper's title about 1/3 of the way down the page. Below that, include your name, institutional affiliation, course number, instructor's name, and assignment due date. For organizing your paper, APA uses 5 levels of headings. Level 1 headings are centered and bold, while Level 2 are flush left and bold. Remember to apply specific capitalization rules for each heading level. Moving on to citations, APA requires author date format for all in-text citations. For example, after a direct quote, include the author's last name, the year of publication, and the page number. At the end of your paper, create a new page titled References, centered at the top. Each entry on this page should have a hanging indent, meaning the first line is flush left and subsequent lines are indented by 1/2 inch. Alphabetize your entries by the author's last name. Before submitting, always proofread your entire document carefully for any grammatical or spelling errors. Double-check that all your APA formatting, from margins to citations, is consistent throughout the paper. A quick tip: for an enhanced reading experience, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Finally, save your completed document as a PDF to preserve all your formatting before submitting it. This ensures your hard work looks perfect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.